The market for autonomous home cleaning faces a persistent challenge that is not due to poor device performance. While modern robot vacuums excel at scheduled maintenance, efficiently removing dust and mopping floors daily, planned maintenance represents only half of the household cleaning equation. The most demanding aspect of maintaining a home involves managing unexpected, chaotic messes. Spilled coffee, scattered cereal, ketchup mishaps, and pet accidents present major difficulties for standard robot vacuums, which frequently smear wet or dense debris across surfaces rather than thoroughly extracting it. The xLean TR1 represents a fundamental shift in design by addressing both routine maintenance and unpredictable accidents. This system functions as a dual-purpose cleaning appliance. Operating primarily as a fully autonomous floor robot, the unit can transform into a handheld wet and dry vacuum within 1 second for immediate targeted interventions. When sudden fluid spills occur, operators can immediately bypass the delay of launching an application, programming a room perimeter, and waiting for a standard robot to navigate to the zone. Instead, the handle can be extracted from the chassis to deploy a manual spot cleaning device. This transformer architecture resolves a genuine consumer pain point rather than serving as a marketing gimmick. The handheld configuration features an omnidirectional direct drive motor that provides powered movement assistance, allowing the vacuum to guide itself effortlessly across the floor in any direction with single-handed operation. The technological integration features a specialized dirt hunting mode that departs from traditional fixed-path cleaning geometry. Instead of covering an entire room indiscriminately, the system actively scans the floor, identifies concentrated areas of debris, and alters its navigation path to target those specific zones directly, maximizing operational efficiency. Upon arriving at a mess, a real-time AI adaptive cleaning layer engages. An RGBD camera and a proprietary green laser dirt sensor evaluate the volume of debris continuously. For minor dust, the camera paces forward quickly. However, upon encountering heavy accumulation, the system reduces travel speed, increases suction power, adjusts water volume, and alters roller rotation behavior for targeted deep cleaning. Furthermore, the system integrates reinforcement learning from human feedback, utilizing manual handheld sessions to analyze user paths and furniture navigation preferences, continuously optimizing its autonomous algorithms over time. Hardware specifications include a 360-degree LiDAR module mapping over 5,000 points per second, paired with an RGBD camera boasting 44,643 sensing points and an autonomous driving-grade AI processor to ensure confident navigation around household obstacles. A square body profile combined with specialized path planning allows the system to clean within 10 mm of baseboards. While optimized for hard flooring, the device automatically detects and circumvents rugs, with additional customization available via app-defined no-go zones. Performance testing across mixed wet and dry variables, including milk, cereal, sticky jelly, and deep stains, demonstrates excellent single-pass extraction capabilities. The internal dual-motor direct suction generates 17,000 pascals of pressure, feeding two 10.23-inch rollers spinning at 400 revolutions per minute. A 32-nozzle array continuously sprays fresh water onto the rollers, allowing the front roller to scrub the surface while the rear roller collects residual moisture to eliminate water streaking. A built-in vortex matrix separation system isolates extracted debris from the airflow to safeguard the motor assembly. To combat the traditional problem of roller smearing, a constant freshwater rinse and mechanical scraper mechanism clean the rollers during active operation, preventing secondary contamination. Maintenance tasks are managed by the automated OmniStation, which separates solid waste from liquid runoff. The station washes the cleaning rollers using 167 degrees Fahrenheit 75 degrees Celsius water to break down oils and eliminate bacteria, followed by a 149 degrees Fahrenheit 65 degrees Celsius heated air cycle to dry the components and prevent mold growth. This self-cleaning cycle lasts approximately 7 minutes, utilizing internal dirt sensors to automatically prolong the wash duration if the rollers require further sanitation. A comprehensive, 1-hour high-temperature cycle is also available to sanitize the base station, wastewater tank, and rollers simultaneously. For complete automation, the OmniStation can plumb directly into household water supply and drainage lines. The exterior features a transparent wastewater tank for visual verification of extracted dirt, alongside a bagless dustbin architecture to minimize recurring maintenance costs. The true innovation of the platform lies not within maximum suction metrics or nominal artificial intelligence labeling, but within its practical synthesis of scheduled room maintenance and instantaneous spot cleaning. While the product category remains in an early stage of evolutionary development, the architecture introduces a highly functional trajectory for domestic robotics. Complete details, crowdfunding project updates, and tiered early incentive pricing structures remain accessible via active product campaign documentation.